If you can put pen to paper, then boy do I have good news for you. There are so many ways that you can get paid to write. You don't even need to be an English major or have a degree to get started. So today we're going to talk about 10 ways to get paid to write. We're going to tell you how much money you can make, what skills you'll need to learn, and everything else you need to know about making a full-time living doing exactly that. Welcome back to our channel, where we teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. If you're interested in making money online, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you're re-notified whenever we upload a new video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up as well. And let's get straight into it. 1. Create a Fiverr account. Do you have any idea how many people go to Fiverr looking for writers? Thousands upon thousands? There are buyers from all over the world on Fiverr looking for individuals who can provide them with quality content for their websites or blogs. This is great news if you reach someone who has an interest in writing, because there's a lot of money to be made. With the average Fiverr seller making anywhere between $200 and $500 per week, all you need to do is head over to fiverr.com, click on Become a Seller, and fill out the application form. You'll then need to verify your email address and choose a username and password before getting started. After that, set up your profile page and start browsing for writing gigs. For example, here's one that catches my eye. It's called Write 1500 Words Unique Blog Post. And according to the person selling this gig, they will deliver within 24 hours. Also, if you need something faster, there are options for that too. But even better than that, they've had 865 sales already and have a whole bunch of positive feedback from happy customers. That means that every week this person is probably making around $800 just from one gig on Fiverr alone. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. 2. Sign contracts with blogs. Yes, I said it. Contracts. As you know, I love working for myself and being my own boss. However, sometimes it's nice to have some stability in knowing that you're going to get paid every month no matter what happens. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can I possibly sign contracts with multiple blogs at once? Isn't that kind of difficult to do? Well, not really, especially these days. If you know where to look. There are plenty of companies out there that would love to have someone come in and write for them on a regular basis. A company called Text Broker is one such company, always looking for new writers who can produce high-quality articles for their clients. On average, writers earn around $35,000 a year working for Text Broker. So that's definitely not bad considering you can work from home. You could do this anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. All you need to do is visit their website and click on Become an Author, fill out the application form, and wait to hear back from them. It's that easy. 3. Write for indie games. Have you ever played an indie game? Did you find yourself enjoying the story and getting lost in the world that was created for it? Well, if so, that's because someone took the time to craft a narrative that was interesting enough to keep you playing. This is where your writing skills come in handy, because indie game developers often hire writers to help them create compelling stories for their games. And the best part about this is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home, and you can also do it on your own schedule. So say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to freedom. Not only that, but this is also a great way to flex your creative muscle and show off your talents. Who knows? Maybe someday soon you will all be working for big names in the gaming industry like EA or Activision Blizzard. Wouldn't that be cool? Not only can you make a decent amount of money doing something you love, but you'll also get to meet some really cool people along the way. Some indie game developers like working with writers who have experience writing for other games. But do you won't worry if you're just starting out, because there are still plenty of opportunities for beginners as well. You just need to know where to look. One place I recommend checking out is Indeed.com, which is a website where independent game developers can share their work with the world. There are literally thousands of games on this site, so I'm sure you'll find something that piques your interest. Once you find a game you like, simply reach out to the developer and let them know that you're interested in writing for them. Just make sure to include a portfolio of your previous work so they can see what you're capable of. If everything goes well, then congratulations, you've landed yourself a new writing gig. For affiliate marketing. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, it's no secret that content is king. If you want to make money promoting other people's products and services, you need to be able to write compelling copy that will persuade people to buy. Luckily for you, That's exactly what we're going to help you do today. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, we share with you some valuable tips and tricks that will take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. So stick around and let's get started. First things first, you need to find a product or service to promote. Once you've found something that you're interested in, the next step is to sign up for an affiliate program. Most companies will give you a unique tracking link that you can use to track your clicks and commissions. Now that you have your tracking link, it's time to start promoting. And the best way to do that is to create high-quality content that provides value to your target audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, social media posts, or even podcasts. Just make sure that whatever you create is interesting and informative. People won't want to read or listen to boring content, so keep it concise and to the point. Number 5, write and sell ebooks. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not monetize your knowledge by writing and selling ebooks? Ebooks are a great way to share your expertise with the world and make some extra cash on the side. Plus, it's a relatively easy process that doesn't require much upfront investment. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. And if you're not sure where to start, there are plenty of resources available to help you along the way. Once you've written your ebook, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, where you can set your price or leave it at zero so readers can pay what they want. The best part is that you and have to worry about shipping or handling costs because everything is done electronically. That means you'll keep more profit in your pocket. So if you've been thinking about writing an ebook, now's the time to do it. Who knows? You might just hit the bestseller list and make some serious bank while you're at it. No. 6 magazines and newspapers. I know it might sound old school in this day and age, but the fact is, print media is still alive and well. Magazines and newspapers are still being read by millions of people every day, and businesses are still advertising in them. It means there's still a lot of opportunity for writers who know where to look. If you want to get paid to write, you should definitely consider pitching articles to magazines and newspapers. Of course, this isn't going to be easy. You'll need to be a skilled writer with the ability to produce high-quality work on a tight deadline. But if you can cut it in this competitive industry, the sky's the limit when it comes to how much money you can make. 7, grant writing. If you're good with words, you should definitely consider becoming a grant writer. Grant writers typically earn between $44,000 and $88,000 per year in the United States, and their job is pretty simple. They just need to convince funding agencies to give money to the organization they're working for. Now, of course, it's not quite that easy. You'll need to be a persuasive writer with the ability to communicate complex ideas clearly and concisely. You'll also need to be organized and detail-oriented since you'll be dealing with large sums of money. But if you think you have what it takes, then this could be the perfect job for you. So start honing your writing skills today, and who knows, maybe someday soon you'll be earning 6 figures as a grant writer. Number 8, speech writing. Do you have a knack for writing speeches? Whether you're addressing a small group of people or a large audience, a well-written speech can make all the difference. And that's where you come in. As a speechwriter, you can help others craft powerful, persuasive, and memorable addresses that will leave listeners inspired and engaged. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm not a public speaker, so why would I want to be a speechwriter? Well, let me tell you, it's not about being in the spotlight. It's about being behind the scenes and making sure that everyone else shines. Plus, it's a great way to make money doing something you love. So if you enjoy writing and helping others succeed, then becoming a speechwriter may be the perfect fit for you. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. So say goodbye to commuting and hello to freedom. Not only that, but this is also a great way to meet new people and make connections with industry professionals. You never know where your next big opportunity is going to come from. So keep your options open and start writing those speeches today. Who knows? Maybe someday soon, you'll be working for the President of the United States. Number 9, network with people in the industry. Now, this is probably the most important tip I can give you if you want to get paid to write. It's no secret that networking is essential for success in any industry, and writing is no exception. If you want to make money writing, you need to put yourself out there and connect with as many people in the industry as possible. Attend writing conferences, join professional organizations, and reach out to potential clients via social media. The more people you know, the better your chances of landing high-paying gigs. And who knows, maybe you'll make some lifelong friends along the way. Number 10, don't give up. I know this might sound cliche, but it's true. The road to success is rarely easy, but if you're willing to put in the hard work and dedication required to make it happen, then anything is possible. So don't give up on your dreams of becoming a writer, even when things get tough. Keep writing, keep practicing, and keep submitting your work to publications until you get accepted. And when you finally do land that first big break, you'll know it was all worth it. So there you have it, 10 ways to get paid to write. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you're notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Now, if you're looking to make even more money, then check out the next video we have for you. It's full of amazing tips that will help you earn even more money. Hey, click here to watch it now.